We're getting an exclusive workout from one of Oprah's fitness experts, Laurent Amzallag, from her Live Your Best Life tour. Take it away, Laurent.
All right, let's begin with the warm-up. You ready? Let's bring those arms up, and then we're gonna end into a squat, okay? Nice and easy. And when you go down, give me that little booty shake. Come on.
Oh, geez.
Come on, Dr. Rob. Do you want to see him do the booty shake or what? Come on. Ah, there we go. There you go. There you go. You bring it up. So what we're doing right now is we're elongating the body, and we're just greasing up all those joints.
You're not shaking anymore.
So I didn't know that shaking was still going on. All right, let's go down. Let's do that one more time. Up and down. Good. All right, now we're still warming it up. We're gonna go down into a side squat. You're gonna bring it up, and you're gonna go on the other side. Once again, now what we're doing is we're opening up those inner thighs, okay? Which is very important because people get those muscles really tight, and you wanna open up just like that. How you feeling, Dr. Oz?
I like this.
There you go, I like that.
Everybody at home, by the way, in less than 5 minutes, we'll pull this off.
And down, nice. Here's another one of my favorites. You're gonna squat down.
Yeah.
You're gonna have your arms forward. And you've seen this in the gyms where people use the ropes, right?
Yes.
And you just bring those arms up. And once again, shake it up, shake it up. There you go. There you go, bring it up. What we're doing right now is we're increasing the heart rate. Yeah. There we go. That's the spirit. Go nuts. We're increasing the heart rate.
Yeah.
And we're also working all those upper body muscles, just like that. You wanna make the workout fun, you know? Just go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom, perfect.
Okay,
all right.
all right.
Now, let's go on the floor. We're gonna hit some push-ups.
Okay.
All right?
So let's get to warm up. Again, in only a few minutes, you can get all the workout you need.
So you're gonna go, as you go down, you lift the leg up, okay? So now we're getting the glutes involved, okay? You want those booties to be nice and strong. I wanna see flames coming out of your butt, by the way, huh? I wanna see it. Bring it up.
And be careful what you ask for.
One more time. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Ready? Because you don't want one butt cheek to be jealous.
No.
And up. Good. Just like that. Nice. One more time. And boom. Perfect. Now, we're on the floor. What we're going to do is something, a mountain climber. We're going to do this one like this. All right? So what we're doing right now is we're getting the cardio up, but we're leaning forward, so we're getting those arms toned as well. Just like that. And you could go at the speed you want, just like that. Or you could go really fast, just like that. Come on, let's go fast, let's go fast, let's go fast. Come on. 2 more. 1 and 2, perfect.
What a mess you made, Laurent. What kind of freshman are you?
Now let's go a little crazier, shall we? A little crazier?
I thought that was crazy.
All right. So now we're gonna squat down. You're gonna turn on the side and you're gonna go back in the middle. Oh my goodness. Just, you're gonna turn and back down. There you go. Now we're getting the core involved because we get that twist. We're getting the legs and you get the cardio as well. So you're burning calories while you're building your body. That's what you wanna do. One more time. And boom, perfect.
That's good.
Like that. Now,
I like that.
isn't it great? We're gonna get some torso, arms straight forward. All right? You're gonna go forward and you're gonna twist on the side and back on the other side. So you always bring the twist where the leg is in front.
Okay.
Just like that. Twist it. So that's gonna stretch your whole torso and you're gonna get some core involved. There you go.
And your knees shouldn't cross your feet, is that right, or does that not matter?
No, it doesn't matter. You could have like a James Bond kind of look if you want. Just like that.
Boom!
You know?
Oh, I like that, Laurent.
Just like that. There you go. Let's go one more time.
Boom!
Oh, man. And boom, perfect.
I like that.
That's a good one. There, bro, blow the noise. Okay, you want a crazier exercise than that?
Yeah,
all right. We're going to do something called 180s. You're gonna squat down like that. You're gonna turn like this. And you're gonna go back again. And if you want, you could go back again here. And why not? Let's do this. And now you do it non-stop. Just like that. 180s.
What's the easier version of this?
Just walk around like this. There you go, one more time. And boom, perfect. How's that so far? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on those hips, okay? Really, really important part, the hips over here. It's gonna look like this. This is the slow motion of it, okay? This is the motion we're gonna use. Now, let's go faster, just like that. So this leg goes stationary while the other one opens up, just like that. So we're working on the hips, working the heart rate up. You got rhythm, Dr. Oz, I like that.
I'm following yours, Laurent.
I like that. One more, and now the other side. Same thing, there you go. So you wanna start nice and easy to get the rhythm, and back. Let's go, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
All right. Last 30 seconds. Something big for the last 30 seconds. Stay with us at home. Stay with us.
Seconds. All right. Now we're going to do side shuffle. This is how it looks like. You're going to go down. You're going to open up that inner thigh, and then you're going to go on the other side. Just like that. And back. Good. You're going to touch the floor and stretch those inner thighs in the same time.
Oh, I like
legs
it.
straight. There you go. Just like that. So you're getting a stretch and you're getting your cardio in the same time. 2 for the price of 1. This is a liquidation sale, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. And
I like it, Laurent.
One more. And boom, you got it.
Oh, Laurent Amzallag. Lots more from him. Keep doing it every other day. Keep active. In the morning, we learned that today. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.